It's Hoodie and Chili King, and we're back for another video.
Happy 4th of July, people. We are celebrating the greatest country on Earth's birthday today.
I've had on.
And how else would you celebrate it but with Captain America,
and
an American flag hat, and a fireworks Oreo blizzard from Dairy Queen.
Jurassic World.
That's right. Okay, so
Paper towel.
we're gonna be up front with you about this. We didn't like the firecracker or was it firework, whatever it was. The firecrackers, what we're gonna call it, or Oreos, were sort of a disappointment. Only because they were basically just regular Oreos with Pop Rocks in them. And they just tasted like regular Oreos. And if I'm going to do that, I'm just going to get regular Oreos. But since it's the 4th of July, and Dairy Queen has come out with the exclusive...
Limited time only.
limited time only fireworks Oreo blizzard, we had to try it. So let's try it. Hudson, this thing is it is hot in Alabama, and this thing made the trek back home, and it's melting. Same thing, right?
Not bad.
Mine is dripping all over my hand, and I just dripped all out of my mouth. That is good, though. So the Oreo blizzard, which is basically what this is,
It's excellent too.
it's very good. It's one of my top blizzards.
That scared me to death.
So our dog, which you've seen if you watched our videos, Oscar, he and the cat have been playing all night. I don't know why. And by the way, as we do this video, they're shooting fireworks about a mile from our house.
You might be able to see it.
We're in the city limits, and this is illegal, so I'm thinking I'm going to call the police. I'm really not. Looks good. I still don't get the fireworks Oreo. Kind of a waste of time. Is it popping in your mouth at all?
Uh-huh. I'm just biting into it before it pops
Yeah,
out.
I'm too. I don't have time for all that. So tonight, for supper, we had zucchini chips. And Hudson, were they good?
They were very good.
They were good.
Surprisingly, they went with ranch very well.
We'll dip them in ranch. I mean, look, this is good. If you like Pop Rocks,
You would love this.
if you like Oreo Blizzard, just go get one. Celebrate this. If you're in the United States, if you're not in the United States and you hate the United States, well then, yeah, whatever. But if you're like us and you live in the United States and you love your country, support Dairy Queen. Man, they are blowing up the world out there, it sounds like. Support Dairy Queen and go get a firecracker blizzard. Limited time only. So what is your favorite patriotic song, Hudson?
I like all of them.
Let me tell you what, if you've ever seen the guy sing the God Bless America at the Braves game every Sunday.
You told me, I was going to say him if you would have
That
said
dude
his
is,
song.
he's an opera singer in Atlanta, and he's really good. He gives me chills when I watch it on TV.
Whoa. That's what he does.
And now Hudson will sing God Bless America.
I'm not doing that.
Oh my gosh, this dog, we're going to have to let him roam free in the backyard. He is freaking out. All right, so what would you give the firecracker Oreo blizzard? You're going to have to quit looking at the dog and look at the camera.
Sorry.
From Dairy Queen on a 0 to 5 scale, where a 0 is a pickle slush and a 5 is something way better than a pickle slush. What would you give it?
A 3.
That's all? What can you explain why a 3?
It's just, if the Pop Rocks were out of it, I would give it like a 4.5.
So you don't like the Pop Rocks?
I don't like it to just pop in my mouth. I do not like that feeling. I just don't like it.
Well, I'm going to give it a 4. because I don't have a problem with it, apparently. Even though I agree, they are totally unnecessary. They're kind of hard, and when you bite into them, it kind of feels like you broke a tooth.
There's
And I'm dripping all over my hand. Look, I don't know how. I don't know if this thing's got a leak. I don't know. Anyway, so happy 4th to all of you Americans. And hope you spend your day out like, I don't know, whatever you want to do for the 4th, like grilling out or hanging out with family or
watch fireworks.
Going to the river. We're going to the river.
And not watching fireworks.
There'll be fireworks, just not where we're going. Usually where we're going, they used to have this huge fireworks show, but they're not doing it this year.
I haven't done it the last 2 years.
But watch a little baseball, Braves, Yankees. Whatever you do, you have fun doing it. And I hope it doesn't rain where you are. And I hope it's not 150 because it is here.
It's always 150 degrees here. During the day.
Not in the winter, it's not.
You're so literal.
It's not 150 here. All right, so seriously though, have a good 4th of July. Go USA. Too bad we're not in the soccer thing, or we could cheer for ourselves in that.
We would have won anyways.
I think I'm cheering for Brazil.
Is Brazil even in it? It's still.
Yes, we're in it.
We're.
Oh, and by the way, LeBron has gone to the Lakers. So I've now got 16 extra titles as a Laker fan. See that light up there? That's very horrible. All right, so we're going to wrap this up. Seriously, have a good day. Have a good week, rest of the week. If we don't see you, if we do see you, then we made more videos. All right, so in a very patriotic way, he is.
Huddy.
And I'm the Chili King.
We're out.
Later.
God bless.